What if I told you that Toyota just might have cracked the electric car code with their latest model? Say hello to the 2025 Toyota bZ4X, a bold name for a bold move into the future. Whether you're a longtime Toyota fan or just curious about what's new in the EV world, this SUV has a lot to say. But is it just hype, or does it actually deliver? Let's dive in and find out. From the front, the 2025 bZ4X makes a serious first impression. Toyota ditched the traditional grille, replacing it with a sleek, closed-off face that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. The narrow LED headlights stretch across the front, giving it an aggressive, sharp look. The sculpted hood and clean lines scream modern, while the bold Toyota badge at the center reminds you who's behind the wheel. There's also a new black panel under the bumper, adding some contrast and helping it stand out in a crowded EV market. Move to the rear, and the futuristic theme continues. The full-width LED light bar looks fantastic at night and gives the bZ4X a unique identity on the road. The sharply angled rear window and black spoiler bring a sporty vibe, while the dual-tone bumper keeps things stylish but not overdone. It's clean, it's simple, and it feels very intentional. Let's talk wheels, because Toyota clearly paid attention here. The 20-inch alloy wheels on the top trims have a geometric, aerodynamic design that complements the rest of the car perfectly. They're not just for looks either. These wheels help with efficiency, giving the bZ4X a bit more range by slicing through air more smoothly. Plus, they just look cool, like something from the future, but grounded in the present. Now step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels light, airy, and refreshingly different. The dashboard is low and wide, creating more visibility. There's a large 12.3-inch touchscreen in the center, crisp, responsive, and easy to use. Toyota went for a minimalistic layout, but it doesn't feel bare. The materials are soft touch in the right places, and the fabric or vegan leather options feel premium. Rear passengers get plenty of legroom too, and the panoramic roof makes the space feel even bigger. As for performance, the bZ4X is more about comfort and confidence than raw power, and that's okay. The all-wheel drive version offers 214 horsepower, which gives enough kick for daily driving. It's smooth, quiet, and planted on the road. The steering is light but precise, and the suspension absorbs bumps with ease. Range: expect around 250 miles on a full charge for the front-wheel drive model. It's not the best in class, but it's enough for most commutes and errands. Now, the big question: how much? The 2025 bZ4X starts at around $44,000, with higher trims reaching just over $50,000. That's competitive, especially when you factor in Toyota's reputation for reliability and potential tax incentives. If you're looking for a smart, stylish electric SUV that doesn't try too hard but still turns heads, the 2025 Toyota bZ4X is worth a serious look. Want to see if this EV fits your life? Take one for a test drive and feel the future today.